YouTube, what is up? All right, here's some footage from a trail in Utah called the Hanging Tree Off-Road Trail. It was a really fun trail. There was a sign at the first that said lockers and 35s are recommended. I had 32s. The XRC did good, but I don't think the video does it justice, but it just has a lot of over rock and in between rock stuff, and it is pretty crazy. It was a blast with John from Rock Blocks and Louie and his buddies. I will say the Turbo S 4-seaters set up right are amazing rock crawlers. That wheelbase is just kick butt, and these guys had some good experience too. They drove awesome. And I also want to say that the KRX, you can buy a KRX for 17,000 bucks. It comes with 15-inch beadlocks, and you can put a set of 35s on it, and it is an amazing trail / off-road machine for the money. Super impressed with it. John did awesome in the KRX. Anyways, guys, enjoy. I should be able to get a couple of videos out of this ride for you. This was the obstacle on the trail called the waterfall, and it was crazy fun and super hard. I tried it a few times, about rolled my machine and decided to get a tow. Yeah, it was pretty sick. Here's the video. Front wheels weren't spinning there. Okay. So tough with the water. Yeah. We can winch one up and then
you're about the same exact spot every time.
badass Turbo S has got it set up good for crawling, but this is a tough obstacle. Holy shiz. John, it's all you, dude.
Oh, I will, but I'm 3 cars back. It's never, the next car in front of me is broken, so, next time. We'll go see where this goes.
All right, another Razor 4 Turbo with some portals. We'll see how it goes. It's not easy. tough one. Yeah. Did we break an axle? Yeah.
What's that?
It's good. You're good. It's working. The Rhino 2.0s are still intact. Golly. I might just go ahead and winch up this. Freaking crazy ass.
Shit, dude.
You got, go ahead and get your toe strap for me, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and just bitch out on YouTube for sure on this.
No, Brandon's in front of me.
Get some of this.
Yep. You going?
No, push record.
That was pretty easy. Wow. All right. My turn.
All right, XRC could not make it. We'll see what happens with the KRX.
Good eye, John. Good eye. Good eye.
That is a horrible down, dude. That's how I felt, dude. It was sketchy.
You gotta control that crap when you're like, you gotta let your, yeah. We can hook you. Hey, John. I felt like I was so close. Hey, John. Well, you are, but that's the last 3 feet that's the hardest. Hey, John. Yeah. Go up it a couple times and practice going down. Get square. Go more left. Good. All right. Yeah, just go slow. Right there. Come on. Okay, now just go off your brakes. Let it roll out. Look a little further. Let it slide back. You got to control that shit. Let off. It's up to you, John.
That's not the problem. It's when you get twisted though, and then you slide down.
Did you see me how I braked it and got out of it?
Yeah, but I mean, wheelbases are a little different.
Hey, put it in two-wheel drive. Put it in two-wheel drive, put it in reverse. Put it in low forward. Let that back end slide over. There you go, there you go. Let off, let brake! Let brake! Let off the brake! John! Okay. I could tell by your face, you were totally there. Here, let me back up. Okay. I mean, how close am I? Not even close. Not even close.
Yeah, let's strap it. It's still in pretty good shape.
Preston, will you go down there and hook this up? Oh, he doesn't have a winch. Brady, go grab the stop stuff out of my door pocket.
It's just so tough with it being wet. Just crazy.
Hey, grab the strap out of my driver's door pocket.
No shame in getting a tow. It's just a tough obstacle. Fun day though. Perfect temperature. Lots of fun. Definitely not a beginner trail. That's what I'll say. Turbo S time.
If I have your face, you'll probably buy that video.
I bet, because I was like, oh shit, this sucks.
No. Dude, your mouth was open, your eyes, I mean.
I wasn't expecting it to slide like that way, you know what I mean? I was like, oh, hit it. Yeah, it was sketchy. It was good enough for me. Yeah, when he wasn't kidding. When you slide, There's no traction going down.
The problem is you got to learn to just let off your brake and go like that. That's exactly the path right there.
I almost put it in high.
He had the line that time.
Oh.
See how he just let it break?
Well, again, wheelbase too, guys.
Yeah, but if you're rolling backwards,
I get it.
It can't go over.
Yeah, I need a.
Slamming on your brakes and kept him safe. He's let off his brake.
John was trying to panic shift and brake. He was on emotional overload. Dude, going off that backwards was the easiest part. Oh yeah!
Rodeo!
No! Holy shit! That might have been a little hot!
Hey, Sean, you need to be a pitch farther left and then turn harder right.
How are you going back down that?
Oh, going down won't be bad.
Oh, driving down, that's easy.
Yeah, that's no problem.
Yeah, you are. You're not walking down.
How you gonna walk? We'll put you in an egg?
No, you're not. Don't walk this not easy, Carly.
Oh, that was the best one right there. Just
And that's how I wanted to hit it all along, but I was watching what it was doing to everybody when they got there, because once you get there, it just throws that front.
yeah, you got right over it that time.
And that's what I was wanting to do. When I first looked at it, I was like, you just need to come left and bank it. But you got to pack some small too.
Well, see, I tried to bank.
I almost tried it in high.
You were a lot further. You were a long ways right, Sean.
That was good work right there. Clean.
That was fun.
Clean run.
I'm glad you did it, Sean. I'm proud of you. Oh.